In 2026, Claude Code can write your code. It can plan your architecture, run your tests, but the moment your agent tries to open a real website, a dashboard, a login form, a JavaScript-heavy SPA, it hits a wall. It literally cannot see the page. Watch what happens when you ask it for your Google Analytics data. Requests, curl, web fetch, they all come back with the same thing. A redirect, minified JavaScript, a blob of code that means nothing to your agent. GA4 requires authentication and JavaScript rendering. Your agent is completely blind. This is BrowserAct. One install command gives your AI agent a real Chrome browser, not a headless scraper, not a brittle Playwright script, a full browser session that handles JavaScript rendering, handles existing login sessions, and handles the kind of pages that break every other automation approach. Install is one command, no account required for the core features, and it detects your environment automatically. It installs itself into Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Gemini CLI, and over 50 other coding agents automatically. Your existing tools immediately gain browser capability. The CLI itself uses UV for clean Python environment management. 3 modes. Stealth extraction. This is your drop-in replacement for web fetch on any JavaScript heavy or bot protected page. Full browser automation for when you need to log in, click through multi-step workflows, or extract data that loads dynamically, and parallel sessions, multiple isolated browsers running simultaneously for different accounts or tasks. Let's start with stealth extraction. One command. No browser window opens, no session to manage. Watch what you get back. Clean, structured markdown, every post, every score, every timestamp, ready for your agent to process. Now look at what raw requests return from the same URL. Your agent cannot work with that. That is the exact problem BrowserAct solves. Full browser automation is where this gets powerful for real workflows. You probably already have Chrome set up with your actual logged in sessions. BrowserAct can use those directly. No reauthentication, no OAuth setup, no API keys, just your existing browser session. The state command gives your agent a numbered index of every interactive element on the page. No expressions, no CSS selectors, no DOM parsing, just a clean list of what the agent can click, type into, or select reference by number. For JavaScript SPAs like Google Analytics, the real data is not in the rendered HTML. It is in the network layer. XHR and fetch requests the app makes to its own APIs. BrowserAct captures those automatically. So instead of your agent trying to parse a React app's rendered markup, it reads the actual structured JSON coming from the API. That is the difference between getting 500 kilobytes of markup and getting clean data. The feature I think is genuinely underrated, remote assist. When your agent hits a step that needs a human, a 2-factor authentication prompt, a confirmation screen, an account permission dialog, it does not crash. It does not give up. It pauses. The browser session stays open. BrowserAct generates a live URL. You open it on your phone, your laptop, another machine, wherever you are. You complete the step yourself. The agent resumes exactly where it left off. That is a fundamentally different model for automation. Not automate or fail automate as far as you can. Hand off what you cannot pick up where you left off.
Quick comparison. Web fetch and requests give you raw HTTP responses. Great for static pages, completely broken for anything that renders in JavaScript or requires login. Playwright is genuinely powerful, but you are writing scripts, managing browser downloads, debugging XPath selectors, and when a site updates its layout, your script breaks. BrowserAct handles JavaScript rendering, bot detection, session management, and human handoff out of the box. One install, one command pattern, and the framework keeps working when sites change.
If you are building AI agents with Claude Code, Cursor, or any tool that needs to touch real websites, this is the missing layer. Your agent can already write code, reason about data, and call structured APIs. Now it can also operate the browser. The web is no longer a wall. Install command is on screen. One line, no sign up. Star the repository to get 500 free credits to try the cloud session features. Honest take, stealth extraction works well out of the box. The session management is solid. Remote assist is genuinely useful. Where you will spend time iterating is how you prompt your agent to handle the state indexing for complex multi-step flows. The numbered element system works, but it takes a few iterations to get your prompting right for longer workflows. That is worth knowing going in. More agent builds and tool reviews like this coming. Subscribe so you don't miss them, and drop any questions in the comments.